Hi everyone, I'm Elizabeth with the Manchester Acupuncture Studio, and today I'm following up on a special request to teach acupressure points that are good for shoulder and neck pain, which is great because I've got that right now. I'm going to show you 2 points on the side of the hand, the pinky side of the hand, small intestine 3 and small intestine 4. And just for a little bit of background, the small intestine channel starts on the outside of the pinky. It runs up the side of the arm, up the back of the arm, and it zigzags across the shoulder. So points on the small intestine channel are ideal for pain on the shoulder blade. They're also good for pain on the nape of the neck and for any generalized back pain, low back pain. So I'm going to find small intestine 3. It's right next to the knuckle of your pinky, the 5th metacarpal. I'm going to press and rub this point. And interchangeably, I'm going to use small intestine 4. So I'm going to slide up the side of my hand, and before I get to the wrist, I'm going to fall into a little divot and press and rub small intestine 4. And I'm going to do this interchangeably while I kick things up a notch. I want to activate points on my shoulder blade. So I am leaning against a foam roller. You can also do this with a tennis ball against a wall or on the floor. If you lean against the wall, then it's easier to multitask and massage small intestine 3 and 4 while massaging the shoulder directly with the foam roller. There are 6 or 7 small intestine channel points on the shoulder blade. All of them, when they're activated, are good for treating shoulder blade pain, and they're also good for pain in the upper arm and pain in the elbow. And yeah, that's the spot right there. I'm just gonna lean right here. Thanks for joining me. We miss all of you. We hope to see you again soon and in good health.